So we have cabin number 13114Z. And when you come in, you have your closet. And the closet has a little curtain. And this is a do not disturb, or if you need service in your room. So when you select the do not disturb, it will turn red on the outside of your room. And then when you select the service room button, it will turn blue outside. And there's also a doorbell. Some baskets. I'm not sure what this is. Your life vest, your safe, and your blow dryers in here. Soft closed drawers. A full mirror. Your thermostat is here, and then the bathroom. The light is outside. A nice size mirror, makeup, towels, toilet paper, toilet towels, and then a rain shower, and then a handheld shower. That's nice. Walk in with a glass door. Then you have your shampoo, conditioner, and body wash, which is good because we did not bring any. So hopefully that's good. And then there is a hanging line to connect from here to there. It's a cool looking sink. Your hand soap, some glasses. The door, there are some towel hooks. It actually says it's occupied or not on the door. There's another full-size mirror here. We have a king-size bed, which if you are traveling with two people that you're not wanting to share the bed, this bed can actually split in half, and then it creates like an L shape. Our hooks on the walls, which we'll have to check and see if these are magnetics, because we brought more hooks that we usually put on the walls. It serves as your nightstand. And some light switches back here, and plugs, some USBs. Oh, I just turned off that light. It's going to be a little bit for me to figure out what these switches do, but each one has its individual light. And TV. It's a really cool mirror, which it changes color when you, depending on the angle. That's really cool. And this screen here will show you in a little bit, but right now with the muster station, you cannot change it, but it has like ambient lighting and music, free water, and a bottle opener, some glasses, and a mini fridge. Oh, that side, I got it wrong. Ooh, it's nice and cold in there. Mini fridge, which seems to be a little bit broken. Some extra drawers, or not drawers, cubbies. And then a stool. Trash can. Beautiful pictures. And then it looks like, so again, this is our first Virgin cruise. This is a lot different than what we're used to, but It looks like this is like basically serves as your nightstand that slides over the bed and under the bed. So this is where the bed would split in half and basically make an L shape for 2 beds. Switches here. That does the same thing. It turns off these lights. Some USB ports. It's really nice. This is a nice mirror with some good lighting. Let's see. I think this opens the shade. Does it open? Wait, I pressed the wrong one. This one opens the shade. And of course, where's Tyler? He is out on the balcony in his hammock. Oh my goodness. Hey, this way.
This does not suck.
You look so comfortable.
I'm super comfortable. I've already, this is like the 4th way that I lay down. You can sit in it, you can lounge back a little bit, you can do this. It stretches far though, like I could lay flat in it if I wanted to. I'm not even kidding.
That's funny. And we got the views of Miami. Definitely watch your step. That is a big step down. So this room was very nice. It was very comfortable to stay in. There was also a chair that we ended up not really using, but this room was very nice and very spacious. It was very minimalistic and very simple, and we really enjoyed this room. I love this. I absolutely love this. Okay, so I'm gonna show you what all these moods are that you can change with the tablet. So let's just start from the beginning. So like when you go to room controls, and then here is just a general like lighting with like bright lights. And it really brightens up the room. Ambient lighting, it just like dims it a little bit. You can actually control the temperature here also, and then desk light, you can turn it on and off. So then if you swipe up, changes the lights. It even changes colors on the back. So that's really cool. And hangover. This one closes the shade. And you get like a purplish light, and it dims these lights also. And get it on, changes the color, and plays music. It turns on the TV. And if the curtains were open, it would close. So this one is photo shoot. So the shade opens and the lights turn on. So if we go back to get it on, oops, go back, turn it on, then it will close back up. I think this is the only one that plays music. Oh, so sad. Let's see. I'm just switching back and forth to see what each one does. So I'm gonna go to Zen. There we go. And then this one closes the shade and turns the lights blue. And then the top lights are dimmed out. And it looks like that's the only one that plays music, is the get it on one. Pumped up opens the shade and turns the lights purple. Yeah, it's really cool. Yeah, get it on, it's the only one that plays music on the TV. But that's really cool. And then you can actually use this to control your TV. So you can pick a movie or pick a channel and select it, and it will play on your TV. And then services, so if you want, this is also available on your app, but if you want fresh towels or your cabin clean and you just didn't press the room service button by the door, you want your bed made, you want water or some ice, some information, and then it say like you want to turn off all the lights, it'll turn off all the lights, and turn them all on without a mood. We'll power your TV on and off. And it looks like this actually works as a phone also, so if you have an emergency. Close the shade. And it's closing the shade back up. Very cool. Yeah, and this comes off. So you can take this to the bed, you can take it to the couch or chair, but it's pretty cool. It's just a little tablet, and you just place it back on here. Here the clip, and you're good to go. It's charged. From what we have seen, just staying in the room once, like one night, is that there's not a lot of storage space. So there's like plenty of hangers. There's plenty of hangers and like hanger space, but actual storage, there's just here and here, which it could be enough, but we actually are keeping our clothes in our suitcases, just slid them under the bed. So we're just using that method right now. Just keep them open and sliding them in and out of under the bed. But other than that, there's nothing else really that we dislike about the room. In the bathroom, there's not much storage space, so we're having to put some stuff there at the bottom. In the shower also, it's kind of awkward, so you kind of have to, when you turn on the water, if you turn it on, you can either control like either the top shower, the rain shower, or the handheld. So if you turn on the rain shower, and you have to turn it on, say like you want to make sure that the water is not too hot or too cold, you kind of have to have the door open to do that, and then the water's just coming on. So like if you get inside, the whole door is gonna get wet. So we figured that when you turn it on, put the handheld on one first, and we have it facing the wall so that it doesn't get us wet when we're just like, or get anything outside of the shower wet, and we're able to go inside the shower and close the door without getting everything wet. But it's kind of a, yeah. So just those two things. We're not big complainers, but it's just like, logistically, it doesn't make sense. But yeah, then we're used to having drawers here, not cubbies. So usually either me or Tyler will take the dresser and the other person will take the cubbies in the closet. So that's just a couple things that we noticed. So we ended up finding our remote. It was hidden underneath here. So make sure you check under there. Also, tip for you guys that, you know, you do get these waters, put them in the fridge. It's definitely nice to come back to some cold water. So that's our room tour. I hope you enjoyed our room tour. Please like this video and subscribe for more. We are going to try to vlog as much as possible on this ship. We are going to be on the ship with friends, so don't want to do too much, but we'll keep you informed for sure. Please like this video and subscribe for more. We appreciate the love. Bye. Say bye, Tyler.
What?
I said say bye, Tyler.
Bye, Tyler.